Hello and welcome to this short video on how to use polls within Zoom. Now, polls are a good way to get your meetings interactive, to gain feedback or to pose questions to your viewers. One thing to note about polls is that they have to be prepared prior to starting the meeting. Now, assuming you know how to schedule a meeting, if you don't, please see other videos. I have this meeting here. I can click here to launch it, and down the bottom here you'll notice that I've already created two polls, and here to add a poll we can click add. Give the poll a title, and here you can choose whether the replies are anonymized or whether you'd like to see who has answered what. Enter your question. Here you can choose between single choice and multiple choice responses. This question is going to be a single choice. Then click down here to add a second question. And this question will be a multiple choice. And when you've finished adding all of your questions, click Save. Now you can see the poll that I've just created is here, and we are able to edit or delete the posts from over here. Now, when you are in the meeting, let's start the meeting here. At any point that you wish to release the poll to the students, you click this polls button down here. From up here you have a choice of which poll to put out. This is the poll we chose here. And to allow students to start participating, we click Launch Polling, and then you'll be able to see the responses as they come in. When you're happy that you have received all of the responses, you click the End Polling button. From here you have the option to share the results with your students. You get this message here. You can stop sharing with the same toggle, or you can relaunch. And to note, relaunching the poll will clear existing polling results. As you can see, the test poll has reopened. Now when you're in here, sometimes you may have forgotten to create a poll. If you so wish, you can launch the poll button. If you click this edit button up here, this will take you to the web browser. As I mentioned previously, you do have to create these polls in the browser. Just a quick easy one there. Hit save. Then when we go back to our polls, already there under the drop down menu we have the poll that we've just created, so that we can do a quick Q&A on the fly, as it were, during the actual meeting itself. It's also worth mentioning, if you prefer to use systems such as Turning Point or Menti, that you can use the chat function to share links or session IDs to everyone in the session. And that's it for our short tutorial on using polls with Zoom.